Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, January 9th, 2019. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have virtual assistants in the digital field where basically, a lot of workers will start apparently using virtual assistants to help them. 2% of employees in the digital field were using virtual assistants like Alexa for Business, for example, according to Gartner. Well, this is in 2018. In 2021, 25% are basically going to use virtual assistants. So it seems that virtual assistants in the workplace are unavoidable and will be there to help you out in the near future. Well, Apple is set to lower production of the iPhones by 10% in a sign of lower demand for its premium phones. Samsung has said yesterday it would have much lower profits in a market that is pretty much saturated also. So Samsung and Apple are both really getting the hit of the saturated market. So 10% less production for Apple. And talking of Apple, amid lower iPhone sales, which is the premium device for the money that's going into Apple, and the dropping stocks, analysts are starting to worry about Apple's future. But yesterday, Tim Cook wanted to say that the future of the company never looked better and that there's nothing wrong happening, that things are going very well. Well, YouTube fixed a glitch that has been going on for the past few months. When you were looking at basically suggested videos, or if you're on the main page where you would have videos that were actually suggested to you because they're often based on your type of videos that you view all the time, well, there was something weird happening, and tons of videos that were suggested had nothing to do with your content or whatever you wanted to look at. So YouTube said yesterday that they finally fixed the bug and that things are back to normal. Well, if you haven't updated your Windows 7, 8.1, or Windows 10 machine, do so. Patch Tuesday yesterday was there with 51 security fixes. One of them concerning the improper use of objects in memory by Jet Engine. And this was a critical one because it's a known flaw since September. Now, apparently, there is no news that bad guys are exploiting this critical flaw. But now that they know really much more about it, it's time to update your Windows machines. The Consumer Electronics Show is still going on in Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, in CES 2019, one of the star of the show is the Google Assistant. It's everywhere. It's being implemented in tons of devices. And not just that, most analysts say that it's become much better than even a year ago. Also, a demonstration even showing that you can use it to actually do real-time translations of a conversation. So, with Google announcing this week that they had 1 billion devices with the Google Assistant, kind of interesting to see the future here. Twitter is not talking much about what's going to be added, but they did announce that there will be a set of new features that will be added to the social media platform in the coming weeks. So apparently this will help enhance user experience. We'll also see if it helps tackle the problems of, trolls and all the bad things that Twitter also has. Well, a interesting sign of the future of the job market is that basically, a lot of analysts are kind of worried, saying that AI and robots will kind of take away jobs. But it's interesting to note that a study says that businesses that actually deploy artificial intelligence in the workplace actually hire more employees, and that it's pretty much the reverse of what many analysts thought. So is the future for the job market better than we think? Some Samsung users are saying that they aren't able to remove the Facebook app when they click into the app list, or if they try to uninstall it from the home screen, the uninstall button isn't there. So this is kind of interesting. Neither Facebook nor Samsung have responded to this. I looked at my Galaxy S9 Plus and I can easily remove Facebook. So one of the things that I would think about is Maybe it depends if your phone came with the Facebook app pre-installed. Maybe that's where the difference, because we know that some of the Samsung apps actually do require Facebook also to work well. Well, 3D printing. We haven't talked about 3D printing much. That's the side of things where we don't really hear much about it, and we're wondering what's happening. Well, according to IDC, spending in 3D printers in 2019 will grow 21.2% compared to last year, and the demand, well, mostly coming from discrete manufacturing. It would make sense that some manufacturers of devices or little things would like to have a 3D printer, and it's followed by healthcare at 13% of the demand. So apparently they're selling well, but they're just not selling at the home market. They're really selling much more for usefulness in the business side. And this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, January 9th, 2019. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.